Fire vehicle. Name and sounds. Tiltrotor. Tiltrotor. An aircraft with tiltable rotors, capable of vertical takeoff and landing like a helicopter and horizontal flight, like a fixed-wing airplane. Water bomber plane. Water bomber plane. A specialized firefighting aircraft used to drop water or fire retardant on wildfires. Firefighting helicopter. Firefighting helicopter. A helicopter used for firefighting, capable of dropping water or fire retardant from above to extinguish fires. Fire bomber Aircarft. Fire bomber aircraft. Similar to a water bomber plane, but can carry larger amounts of fire retardant and operate over longer distances. Jumbo jet. Jumbo jet. A large commercial airplane typically used to carry a large number of passengers or cargo on international flights. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. A balloon that uses hot air to fly, often used for tourism or recreation. Flycam. Flycam. A small unmanned aerial vehicle, drone, often used for aerial photography and filming. Helicopter. Helicopter. A rotary-wing aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing, highly maneuverable in tight spaces. Seaplane. Seaplane. An aircraft capable of taking off and landing on water. Beluga Airbus. Beluga Airbus. A large cargo aircraft by Airbus, designed to transport oversized parts of airplanes and other large cargo. Blimp. Blimp. A steerable airship often used for advertising or patrolling. Police helicopter. Police helicopter. A helicopter used by police for patrolling, surveillance, and supporting law enforcement activities. Military helicopter. Military helicopter. A helicopter used in military missions, including combat, reconnaissance, or troop transport. Private jet. Private jet. A personal aircraft often used for private or business flights. Ambulance helicopter. Ambulance helicopter. A helicopter used to transport patients in emergency situations. Attack plane. Attack plane. An aircraft used to carry out attacks on ground targets. Coast Guard helicopter. Coast Guard helicopter. A helicopter used for coastal patrol, often involved in rescue missions and patrolling along coastlines. Search and rescue helicopter. Search and rescue helicopter. A helicopter used for search and rescue operations in hard-to-reach areas. Cargo jet. Cargo jet. A jet aircraft designed to transport goods over long distances. Agricultural aircraft. Agricultural aircraft. An aircraft used for agricultural purposes, such as spraying pesticides, fertilizers, or sowing seeds over fields. Space shuttle.
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2,
Space shuttle.
1.
A
Booster
spacecraft
ignition
used to carry
and liftoff of
astronauts
Discovery,
and cargo into
hoisting
space
harmony to the
and
heavens
return to
and
Earth.
opening new gateways for international science. Discovery has cleared the tower.
Military transport helicopter. Military transport helicopter. A military helicopter used to transport soldiers, equipment, and military supplies. Military drone. Military drone. An unmanned aerial vehicle used by the military for reconnaissance or attack missions. Maritime patrol aircraft. Maritime patrol aircraft. An aircraft used for maritime surveillance and protection, including detecting submarines and monitoring suspicious activities.